So what happens after you submit a request for a part or you call in? It goes to what we call the queue, this big mysterious queue. And we have a team of dedicated customer service representatives that will grab one of those requests and they will process it start to finish. But you will hear from someone pretty much right away, and we will be able to let you know if we have it in inventory, if we're gonna be looking for it through our other partners, or if it's not available at all. We actually have a crew that's dedicated from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to process all of those requests. And then we also have an on-call crew who is available to help after hours and on weekends.
If a part is ESD sensitive, it's already in a static bag, so it'll stay in that static bag once it goes into the box, and that also acts as like a vapor barrier for any dust or moisture that could possibly damage the part on the way. We give it the final visual inspection, we give it the final wipe down, and then we also take photos of all the parts. Part of the process to photo this is to hold ourselves accountable, so that way if there is any issues or any places that we can get better in packaging, we can go back on these photos and look and say, hey, maybe this is an area we need to get better in. Not only do we want the part to arrive there safely, when the engineer or when the customer opens up this box, we want it to look good as well. We also want the engineer to be able to put the exchange part back in the box just as easy as we put it in there, and it gets all packed back together. He slaps a return label on it and it comes back to us in a few days.
We have a large dedicated team who is processing these requests all day long, and they're prioritizing based on who the customer is, where the customer is, and how we can best support getting them back up and running.
We're playing a part in possibly saving somebody's life. So the quality of the part getting there is just as big as the speed of it getting there. They both go hand in hand. It's a delicate balance because we want to be fast, but we want to make sure we're not making any mistakes, so that's part of the reason why we're constantly evolving our processes.
Speed without quality, not helpful. Quality without speed, again, not always helpful. We really need both, and the reason why is because that's what our customers need. Our customers need a team that is focused on understanding that they have a system that's down, and until that system gets back up, they're not able to take care of their patients, and that actually creates a lot of complications from a financial standpoint as well as a clinical standpoint. And so we actually strive to provide both speed and accuracy.